Hello everyone, welcome to Nifty Prediction weekly video series. I am BL Guru. Nifty and NiftyBank index opened the week with a wide gap up after the Indian government announced its plans to reform the GST rates. However, the resistance at 25,100 on the Nifty and 56,100 on the Nifty Bank index held very well and the indices fell back sharply on Friday. The US markets have seen a strong surge on Friday after the Fed Chairman Powell indicated in his speech at the Jackson-Hole-Meeting that more rate cuts are on the cards. This can help the Indian markets to recover on Monday and go up further. Even otherwise, the indices are having strong supports on the charts which can limit the downside. Overall, Nifty is indicating an initial sign of a trend reversal on the charts. Let us now look at the charts and see the outlook for the coming week. Nifty has an immediate support at 24,700. Below that, 24,600 and 24,500 are the next important supports. We expect the Nifty to reverse higher from this 24,700 and 24,500 support zone and rise to 25,100 and 25,200 again. This leg of move will have the potential to breach the resistance at 25,200. Such a break can take the Nifty up to 25,500 and 25,600 in the short term. The danger of the fall to 24,000 will come into the picture again only if Nifty declines below 24,500, but that looks less likely. The resistance at 56,100 mentioned last week has held very well. Immediate support is now at 54,800. If the Nifty Bank index manages to bounce back from here, a rise to 56,000 and even 57,500 can be seen. But a break below 54,800 can take the index down to 54,000. As mentioned last week, 54,000 and 53,500 is a very strong long-term support zone which can limit the downside. Nifty Bank index can rise back from this support zone and resume its broader uptrend. To sum up, supports are there to limit the downside in both Nifty and Nifty Bank index. Nifty is giving an initial sign of a trend reversal. Nifty has support in the 24,700 and 24,500 region. We expect this support and the Nifty to rise back towards 25,100 and 25,200 initially. Eventually, we can expect the Nifty to breach 25,200 and rise further to 25,500 and 25,600 in the short term. Nifty Bank index has an immediate support at 54,800. If it breaks below this support, it can extend the fall to 54,000 or even 53,500. However, a fall beyond 53,500 is less likely. This 54,000 and 53,500 region is a very strong long-term support from where the Nifty Bank index can rise back towards 56,000 initially and then to 57,500 eventually in the short term. If you have any questions on F&O, please write to derivatives@thehindu.co.in. To know the outlook on specific stocks that you are holding and get advice on whether to book profit or hold it or buy more, write to techtrail@thehindu.co.in. For any queries on mutual funds, email to mf@thehindu.co.in. For any questions, clarifications on investments, personal finance, write to bailportfolio@thehindu.co.in. To get more insights on investments, personal finance, stocks and commodity picks for short and long term based on technical analysis, as well as F&O strategies, subscribe to BL Portfolio section from the link that you see on your screen. Please note that the outlook given in this video is based on technical analysis. These are strictly not trade recommendations. If you want to trade this view, please read the detailed index outlook article published in our website in the portfolio section. The link of the article is given below in the description.